I don't know what he wants to do it.
I painted a fool.
Oh, Dan.
Good morning, guys. Today we're going camping. And first, we need to pick up some supplies, including a tent.
And all the other equipment.
Part of summer is swimming in my pool.
Oh, summer. It sounds good right now after what we just experienced, doesn't it? Grilling out, lawns being mowed, and pools opening. These are some of the things we expect with summer.
We're here at mine and Chloe's new favourite shop, Go Outdoors. We're here to get a tent, a blow-up airbed.
And other bits and bobs.
Yes, absolutely. Let's go inside. See ya. My new family now.
Oh my goodness. I love how it's like, please don't touch them. We're like, whatever. We're going to touch the bloody donkeys.
Hello.
I don't have any food. He's like, let me see your hand. Fuck off. Oh, they do like people, don't they? Like as soon as we got here, he wanted to come to us.
Ooh. We've just arrived in Round Hill campsite. We've finally found a little patch of grass.
After driving around to find the perfect one.
And now we're going to pitch a tent. Great!
Honey!
What the fuck?
That's not double! How are we gonna leave on that?
So, we have got the disposable barbecue cooking up some lovely vegetarian sausages. Of course, an exploration day video would not be missing Chloe's being adult and reading up on absolutely everything unnecessary for every single trip.
It's a little guide to tent camping.
Amazing. Never ceases to amaze me. I've got the Mophie power station charging up the iPhone because we're going to go geocaching in a bit after some food. Chloe, how are you feeling with the whole camping situation? I know you haven't been since you were 6 years old.
I'm enjoying it so far.
Yeah?
I'm enjoying the weather.
Yeah, we have got the weather on our side. Absolutely beautiful. Don't think I've shown you guys this, but picked up a really nice couple of cases for the drone, like hard cases, and they fit so snug. Rather than carrying a massive backpack with just for the drone, you could just sling them in a normal backpack.
So we've just had dinner and we're going for a little wander to find some geocaches. We've just got the map up and we're trying to find the best route to take to find the most geocaches in one hit.
Which way do we go then? Up here and left?
So close to the location. Found it!
Aha.
Aha!
My God.
Oh my God,
2012.
Must have been like the first one.
P&O pen. We've finally found the first geocache of the night. There's a few more dotted around. And try and find a few more. Literally just crossed this crossing. And literally
I've never seen something with so many public signs on in my life.
that was mental, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Like we were literally just, it was so silent, and then out of nowhere right, next geocache, this way. That looks like it's been placed there. This looks a bit suspect. Oh!
It's a camo bag!
Look at this!
It's a camo bag! This is a new one.
Another train again. What on earth? Train ticket? Is that money? Oh, lol.
LOL!
Wow. That was good. Another football sticker.
I think the same people have been here.
Love the camo. Nice one. Found 8 in total. Look. The sky is looking beautiful right now. Basically what's happening is the New Forest is just showing off. The camera has gone to like a really slow shutter speed because it's getting so dark. It's getting really dark now. We're on our third cache. The clue is stump. That looks like a big stump. Goodness me. Oh, hey! We found it.
Yay!
Well done. Team GB. The camera doesn't really show you how dark it is. This is where we are though. Pretty much in the middle of nowhere. Coming up to near the end of the geocaching. So out in the open, right? And now it's pointing in there. But what we're seeing is total darkness. The camera lights it up, but what we're seeing is more like that.
Yeah.
Let's go 50 meters that way to the next geocache. Fucking hell. We found this geocache, check it out. Look at this tree. The hint was inside. Sorry. What?
Let's get a stick and get the cobwebs out.
Exploration date. Wow, that is a good one. It's getting really, really dark. It's 9:45 and we've walked over 1,000 calories. We've been doing this for the past, I reckon, about 3 hours. And instead of going off 700 meters into the woods again, we're going to go find the main road which is in front of us. Follow the main road back to the campsite. We both need a shower. We're both really sticky and we've got bug bites and whatever else. So we're calling it there. How many did we find altogether?
4, I think.
They were really good. Really enjoyed it. And it's getting really creepy out here in the woods. So basically, a little update. We're on the main road and it's a long 2-mile walk back to the campsite. Didn't realise that it's not, when we're doing these geocaches, it's not like we're going back on ourselves. We did a really long walk and now we're kind of turning around and walking back on the main road. Guys, we are still going, and I know you can't really see me on the screen right now, but that's exactly what we're seeing right now. Let me just show you Chloe in front of me. There you go, look. There's Chloe, and that's the road ahead. Clearly, we are very brave, but we're nearly there. We've been walking for so long now. So long. 1,700 calories. Right, just think, Chloe. Positivity. We're nearly there. We made it back to the tent. And we've just showered using hand soap. We're back. And we're looking up at the night sky. and obviously because there's no light pollution, you can see everything. I'm just going to stay here for a few minutes and then go to Nunites. Betty buys, as Captain Wesley Dunlop would say. I wish I could show you what this looks like, but the camera won't pick it up. It's just incredible. Absolutely incredible. Just saw a shooting star. Had a fantastic day nonetheless. Even if we did walk for miles and miles in that absolute pitch dark, because we're brave kids. Oh.
And I need sleep.
Okay, we're gonna have a midnight snack and then hit the hay. Thanks for watching the video, guys. We'll see you in the next video.
Peace out.
Part of summer is swimming in my pool.
Oh, summer. It sounds good right now after what we just experienced, doesn't it? Grilling out, lawns being mowed, and pools opening. These are some of the things we expect with summer.